Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today, we're diving into the world of Windows 10 to explore how to tweak your screensaver settings. Microsoft has been refining these options, and in the latest Creators Update, they've made them even more user-friendly. So, let's get started. First, right-click on your desktop, and from the menu that pops up, select Personalize. This will open up the background settings. Now, in the left sidebar, click on Lock Screen. Scroll all the way down, and there you'll find the screensaver settings. In this menu, you can choose your preferred screensaver and fine-tune its settings to make it uniquely yours. It's a great way to add a personal touch to your computer's idle time. But, here's a pro tip, don't forget to check your power settings. Sometimes, your screen might turn off before the screensaver kicks in. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to customize your screensaver settings in Windows 10. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.